students. So we are starting chapter 1 from the question answers portion, short and precise. I had already given you before, but still once more I am giving you the answers. Those of you already wrote, no need to rewrite it. Short and precise. Show the following processes in the form of flow charts. Number 1. Absorption of water and minerals. The root system of plants consists of a main branch from which lateral roots with root hairs arises, followed by each root hair has an permeable outer cell wall and a semi-permeable cell membrane, followed by water enters into the root hair from the soil through the process of osmosis. Number 2. Transport of water and minerals. Water in the ground goes to the root, absorbed by root hair cells, goes to root cortex cells, pulled up by xylem, upward movement to the cells in the leaves, diffuses to the stomata in leaves. Number B. Give reasons for the following statements. Diffusion and osmosis are different processes. Diffusion and osmosis are different processes because diffusion takes place in the absence of a semi-permeable membrane and osmosis takes place in the presence of semi-permeable membrane. Number 2. The concentration of minerals is more inside the root hair than in the soil. Still, root hair absorbs them. The root hair absorbs both water and minerals from the soil. The concentration of minerals is more inside the root hair than in the soil. Still, root hair absorbs them due to the process called active transport. Transpiration is lower on a humid day. Transpiration is lower on a humid day because the air already contains a lot of moisture. Elements like zinc and manganese are known as micronutrients. Elements like zinc and manganese are known as micronutrients because these elements are required by plants in small quantities. Answer in short. Number 1. What is the role of vascular tissue? Vascular tissues are tissues that perform the function of transport of materials in plants through xylem and phloem. Number 2. Write the two main functions of roots. The two main functions of roots are as follows. Fix the plant to the soil, absorb water and minerals from the soil. Name the processes by which plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. The processes by which plants absorb water and minerals from the soil are osmosis, active transport and diffusion. Number 4. Why do root hair need to be replaced daily? Root hair need to be replaced daily because they are delicate and are easily damaged. Number 5. What is the importance of transpiration in plant? Transpiration is important to the plants for the following reasons. Cooling effect, transportation of food. Number 6. Name any two macronutrients and two micronutrients. Any two macronutrients are carbon and hydrogen. Any two micronutrients are iron and copper. At length A. Explain the following terms. Vascular system. Vascular system is a system that is composed of conducting tissues or vascular tissues forming special tubes called xylem and phloem. Osmosis. Osmosis is the process in which water molecules move from an area where they are more in number to an area where they are less in number through a semi-permeable membrane. Ascent of sap. Ascent of sap is the upward movement of sap that contains water and minerals from the roots towards the outer parts of the plant. Transpirational pull. When water is lost through leaves, a suction force is created which pulls up water from the xylem of roots to the stem and then to the leaves. So, we are finishing at length till A. In my next video, you will get the answers from at length number B. Thank you.